If you're searching for the perfect blend of elegance, aggression, and cutting-edge performance, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 isn't just a car, it's a statement. This isn't your average executive sedan. No, this beast walks the fine line between refined luxury and raw AMG power with absolute swagger. And today, I'm giving you the full deep dive, the exterior that turns heads, the interior that spoils you, and the performance that makes your heart race. Let's go full throttle. Right off the bat, the exterior of the 2026 AMG E53 screams dominance. That Panamericana grille is wider, more muscular, and meaner than ever, flanked by sleek digital headlights that look like the eyes of a predator at night. The hood lines are sculpted to perfection, and those aerodynamic cuts on the sides give it a low-slung, ready-to-pounce vibe. The new rear design is even more aggressive. Quad exhaust tips, a sportier diffuser, and a subtle lip spoiler, to remind the world that this isn't just a business car, it's a street weapon in disguise. And let's not forget those 20-inch AMG multi-spoke alloys. They look like they were carved by thunder. Step inside, and you're transported into a cockpit built for speed and sophistication. Mercedes has gone full luxe with this one. Dual 12.3-inch displays stretch across the dashboard in a seamless curve, powered by the latest MBUX system with zero lag and voice control that actually understands you. The AMG-specific displays give you all the real-time data, boost pressure, G-forces, lap timers, because why not mix luxury with race tech? The ambient lighting now offers 64 customizable colors, wrapping around the dash and doors like a futuristic spaceship. The seats? AMG performance seats wrapped in Nappa leather offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. And the red contrast stitching? It just hits different. There's a mix of carbon fiber and aluminum across the cabin, making you feel like you're sitting in a high-end sports lounge on wheels. Now let's talk performance, the real heart of this machine. Under the hood, you get a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine paired with a mild hybrid system, pushing out a brutal 443 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. But that's not all. The EQ boost system adds a temporary 21 horsepower surge when you need that extra kick, making overtakes effortless and launches lightning quick. 0 to 60, just 4.1 seconds. And it's not just about straight-line speed. This car handles like a dream, thanks to AMG's Ride Control Plus air suspension and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system that gives you traction like glue in corners. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the Autobahn, this E53 delivers pure adrenaline with silky smoothness. The 9-speed AMG Speed Shift transmission snaps through gears with precision, keeping you in the power band without any hesitation. Flip it into Sport Plus mode, and the exhaust roars like a beast unchained. The pops and crackles are music to any enthusiast's ears. But flip it back to comfort, and it glides like a luxury limo. That's the dual personality of the AMG E53. It's a gentleman by day, a savage by night. Now the big question, what does it cost to own this piece of automotive brilliance? The base price for the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 starts around $84,000. But with packages like the AMG Night Package, carbon fiber trim, high-performance brakes, and the driver assistance package, it can climb close to $100K. Is it worth it? If you crave style, power, and prestige all in one ride, then absolutely. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So whether you're pulling up to a red carpet event, tearing down a track, or just enjoying the daily commute, the 2026 AMG E53 delivers an experience few cars in this segment can match. It's not just about driving, it's about dominating the road, turning every street into your personal runway. If luxury had a heartbeat and speed had a soul, it would be this car right here.